Staying active at home doesn't require a large room or expensive gym membership, just smart choices that fit your lifestyle and available floor space. In the guide, Best Treadmill for Small Spaces, options are explored to help you train and improve. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Aiteid 300 Lbs Treadmill. The Aiteid 300 Lbs Treadmill by Aiteid is designed for users who want strong performance in a compact, apartment-friendly format. Built around a reinforced steel frame, this treadmill is engineered for long-term durability and has passed extended operation testing, making it suitable for consistent daily workouts. Its 3.0 HP brushless motor delivers smooth acceleration and reliable speed control, ranging from 0.6 to 6.2 mph, which works well for walking, light jogging, and moderate running sessions. One of its standout features is the advanced noise reduction system, keeping operational sound near 55 dB, allowing users to train early in the morning or late at night without disturbing others. The integrated LED display provides clear, real-time feedback on time, distance, calories, speed, and steps, helping users stay focused on progress and goal tracking. The treadmill also includes 12 preset workout programs and a convenient pause function that preserves workout data, making interval training and customized routines easier to manage. A manual 12% incline further enhances training intensity, simulating hill climbs to improve cardiovascular endurance and calorie burn. This incline feature adds versatility without increasing the machine's footprint. Number 2. Cursor 330 pounds Treadmill. The Cursor 330 pounds treadmill from Cursor is built for users who want advanced incline training in a space-efficient format. Featuring a manual incline system that reaches up to 16%, this treadmill allows walkers and runners to significantly increase workout intensity, making it effective for fat burning, endurance building, and lower body strengthening. The adjustable incline supports both casual fitness routines and structured training plans, offering flexibility for different fitness levels. Safety and comfort are central to its design, with sturdy handles that enhance balance and confidence during workouts. The running belt measures 35.8 by 15.2 inches and includes joint cushioning technology to reduce impact on knees and ankles, making it suitable for users who prioritize low-impact exercise. This makes the treadmill especially appealing for beginners, seniors, or individuals recovering from minor joint issues. Its foldable and space-saving construction allows it to slide easily under beds or into closets, making storage simple in apartments or small homes. Despite its compact profile, the treadmill maintains solid structural integrity and a high weight capacity of 330 pounds. Number 3. Ulfario Handled Treadmill. The Ulfario Handled Treadmill by Ulfario is designed for users seeking versatility and simplicity in a compact home fitness solution. This model functions as a traditional treadmill, a foldable walking pad, and an underbed unit, making it suitable for multi-purpose use in limited spaces. It features 3 speed modes tailored to different activity levels, including walking, jogging, and light running, with ranges that support everyday fitness routines and casual cardio sessions. Its quiet motor system ensures smooth operation, making it ideal for home offices, shared apartments, or small living areas where noise control is important. With a maximum weight capacity of 264 pounds, it supports most users while maintaining stability during use. The built-in LED display shows essential workout metrics such as time, speed, calories, and distance, helping users monitor progress at a glance. A remote control allows quick adjustments without interrupting movement, while the pause function preserves workout data for up to 10 minutes. The running surface measures 90 by 38 centimeters and incorporates a 5-layer non-slip belt for improved grip and shock absorption. This design helps reduce joint stress during longer sessions. Number 4. FutureGlide 300 Lbs Treadmill.
The FutureGlide 300 Lbs Treadmill from FutureGlide focuses on combining quiet operation with practical training features for small space users. Equipped with a 5% manual incline, it allows users to simulate uphill walking and light climbing, increasing calorie expenditure and cardiovascular demand without adding mechanical complexity. This incline system keeps the overall structure compact and easy to maintain. The treadmill is powered by a 3.0 HP brushless motor that delivers smooth speed transitions from 0.6 to 6.2 mph while producing less than 45 decibels of noise. This makes it suitable for apartments, shared homes, and office environments. Its LED display includes smart memory functionality, allowing users to review past workout data and continue sessions without losing progress. The control panel provides access to preset programs, countdown modes, and speed adjustments, giving users flexibility in structuring their routines. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds, the treadmill offers dependable stability for daily use. The foldable design improves portability and storage efficiency, making it easy to place under furniture or against walls when not in use. The balanced combination of quiet motor performance, incline support, and intelligent display features makes the FutureGlide treadmill a solid option for individuals who want consistent cardio training without excessive noise or space requirements.
Number 5. SUOUER 350 pounds treadmill. The SUOUER 350 pounds treadmill by SUOUER is built for users who want high weight capacity and everyday comfort in a compact design. Powered by a 3.0 HP motor, it supports speeds from 0.6 to 7.6 miles per hour, making it suitable for both gentle walking and faster-paced cardio sessions. With a maximum load capacity of 350 pounds, this treadmill offers exceptional stability and durability compared to many small space models, accommodating a broader range of users. Its dual-mode functionality allows it to convert easily into an under-desk walking pad, making it ideal for multitasking during work, chores, or leisure activities. The handlebar design improves balance and control, especially during longer sessions. Comfort is enhanced through a 6-layer cushioned running deck that absorbs impact and reduces joint strain, helping users maintain consistency without excessive fatigue. The anti-slip surface improves safety, while the balanced frame minimizes vibration. Its minimalist structure keeps the treadmill visually unobtrusive and easy to integrate into modern homes. Storage is straightforward, and its portable format ensures hassle-free repositioning. Designed for low-impact daily routines and moderate cardio training, the SUOUER treadmill combines strength. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.